How's it going, YouTube? Found the coolest thing yesterday at the antique store. It's a old Stanley chisel and punch like advertisement. Still got the prices on it. So this would set on a pegboard at a retail store, and it would have had each row with a different size punch or chisel for the person to pick out and buy. Now that's some good advertisement. Let's see, some of my chisels don't fit too well in here, but some do. Perfect fit. And this is not going nowhere. Keeping this thing. Paid $30 for it too. So on the Napa Real Deals, they got the 1/4-inch Hex Ratchet on sale for $27, down from $75. And honestly, when I saw that, I thought it said 1/4-inch ratchet, so I just bought it automatically. I didn't realize till after I bought it that it was a bit ratchet. Yeah, probably not going to use this a lot, but I already got it, so I'm going to keep it. So, and the Napa Real Deals is pretty good this month. They have quite a bit of stuff, so check them out. Got a few little Matco stuff. Just a file. Needed another one. This is a clip lifter. I think this is made by Mueller. I don't even know how to say it, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's a part number if you're wanting it. It's made in Taiwan. It's actually made pretty well. That's why I picked it out. It won't give too much whenever you're trying to pop out clips. Here's one of their cheaper screw extractor sets. It's this design. Let me get in here. Yeah, I haven't tried them out yet, but maybe they're good. This guy was on sale pretty cheap. It's a O-ring remover set from OEM Tools. Now, this is Chinese, but it has lifetime warranty, it says. And it was $10. I'll try to link some stuff in the... There's a part number though. Yeah, they're on sale for $10 on Amazon, so pick that up. Might use it eventually. Here's the coolest thing. Yeah, this is the Gearwrench extendable indexing prybar. Goes as low as 20 inches and all the way up to 33. It's the box, lifetime warranty. Show you. There's several different companies that has this. I believe they're all made by the same people. Push that in. Let's see how many positions it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe I counted that right. But yeah, you can do a lot of different stuff with this. And they're pretty strong too. This thing's quite heavy. It's got this spring push button. extender out to where you can't see it now, but yeah, I'm gonna weigh this thing and see how much it weighs. Almost 5 pounds, so I think you can pick this thing up. Well, here's the part number. Just under $70 on Amazon. I'll try and link that. But yeah, you need one of them if you're a mechanic for sure. Or construction, a lot of different reasons. But yeah, that's all for this video. Subscribe.